Hey guys, today we're gonna take a look at something very interesting. So, can you get quality earbuds under $15? And these, in my case, I bought them for $2, but I think usually online they go under 15. And you know, it screams quality when electronic products come in Ziploc bag, and yes, this is their actual shipping bag. I'm not making this one up. As you see right there, it's written in, I think, Chinese, and I don't understand a single word of it. But, just by shaking one of them, started coming on somehow. Let's see if we can open them up. And inside, we will find the buds themselves. A TWS looks like. Wireless headphone, that's what they call it, not plural, singular headphone. And we have two replacement buds, looks like they're the smaller ones, and a micro USB to USB-A charger, and the bag itself. So the main star of the show is these two. They have almost like a fingerprint symbol on top of them. This is the box. It's supposed to be some kind of battery charger, but no battery inside as far as I see. And these are the buds. It's a nice magnetic placement that when you put it back, and the contacts are right here, and it goes just like that. It's pretty good in this aspect. But we're going to try to connect them to Bluetooth and play something on them and see how that goes. And I think you hold this here like that, and a light should come on. And right now it should be on search of Bluetooth somehow. Our Bluetooth is here. Go to settings, and let's try to add them. Okay, Bluetooth. And somehow the headphone turned off by itself while I'm trying to search for them. Try the other one. Maybe it's a better luck. Okay, this one turned on, looks like at least. Let's see if it stays on. They are charged. I just took them off the charger, by the way. I had opened the case already, and somehow they don't want to stay on. That's just the beauty of dealing with high quality devices. Let's try it again. Okay, let's see if our Bluetooth finds it. It says unknown device. I don't know if it's them or not. Do they have to both be on? That would not make a lot of sense, but and then they start doing that red and blue, and they turn off again. This is very interesting, and the Bluetooth is not finding it anywhere. Let me see if I can find them with a cell phone, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna take one of those phones that I use for side work. And here's Bluetooth. Okay, pair a new device. No nearby Bluetooth were found. Okay, let me turn this back on. And this is supposed to be the headphones. C1, it says, but it doesn't want to connect, which is very interesting. Let me try the other one. Yep, I'm holding the finger here on the fingerprint thing, and it says no battery, but I just took them off the charger. I'm gonna charge them again, and we'll be back when they are probably fully charged, if that's the case. Okay, so now I think I made them work to some point. Not sure if I would call that fully work, because they work for a few minutes and then stop. Somehow it just says something in a foreign language. I'm assuming it's Chinese. I don't know for a fact. But basically you're listening for a few minutes, or sometimes even up to 45, 50 minutes. And if you take a break, you don't turn it off. Just you have it still in your ear, but the music or movie or whatever you're watching is inactive for maybe 30-40 seconds, the headphone just turns off completely. And now I'm gonna try to connect them again. And here's my Bluetooth that says not connected. And C1 is this headphone right here. I'm gonna try to turn it on again and see if it connects. Okay, the blue light came on. It turned on the other one too. And they're both supposed to be connected right now. And as you see on my Bluetooth, it says connected voice and music. And I will attempt to play a piece of music somewhere. Let me go to my SoundCloud and probably just play one of the tracks here. And right now, they're both playing. Let me put them by the microphone if we can hear them. And yes, they're both working right now. Okay, so far they haven't turned off. Let me try to play the music again. Yeah, they're actually both playing. That's very interesting. And yes, if you put them back on the crate, they still keep playing. That's interesting. And now we're gonna do a quick microphone test for them. I'm gonna put them both in my ears and record a soundbite from these two right now. Let me switch my OBS microphone from here to these two. C1 handset free, that's them. And as you see right here, they're posting. This is being recorded with these two tiny earbuds. And I have no idea how the sound quality is going to be, but they're recording. And yes, right now I'm using a blue microphone because my Elgato is busy. And now we're about back to the blue, and we will see just how that sounded. Okay, based on that sound, I would probably restrict them to phone calls and that kind of stuff, and maybe not the most important phone calls I will ever take, but for the price, I can't really fault them. I can't. Yes, they're under $15 online all over. The name is just that C1, that's all I know. And whatever the manual says here, TWS. If you guys want to research them, here's the paper that came with them. TWS C1. Let me see if there's any other names inside or something that... okay, yeah, it just says model, product model right here. T1 wireless headphone, qualified and all that stuff, and nothing else. So far, I would say they're not the worst I've seen when it comes to these cheap, off-brand, kind of copycat earphones or earbuds, whatever you want to call them. But if you're aiming to look at comparing them to any brands like the Apples or Samsungs or whatnot, yeah, I don't think you should even attempt to go there because they're not gonna do it. But besides that, they have a pretty decent bass, pretty decent highs. It's not exactly the most accurate music you'll ever hear, but if you get away with a pair of them that are not probably faulty like mine, somehow these were brand new. These are not used. If they don't turn off at awkward times whenever they want, they're not bad. They don't hold the battery all that long. Don't expect that to be a 2-3 day battery, but they work. They just work. For the price, I cannot say they're bad. And with that said, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!